Today I'm going to discuss a case which gained very political importance and a very strong constitutional matter was under decision of a Supreme Court. It was a matter of reserve seats. Reserve seats have great importance in any a government formation. So the title of the case is Sunni Ittihad Council through Chairman Faisalabad and other versus Election Commission of Pakistan through its secretaries. Sayyid Mansoor Ali Shah, Justice Munib Akhtar, Justice Ali Mazahir, Aisha A. Malik, Sayyid Hussain Azhar Rizvi, Shahid Wahid, and Irfan Sadat Khan has combinedly given a judgment which leads to very hot political debate, and constitution is discussed by all the political parties. Now we are going to discuss the main points of the judgment. It is declared that the lack of denial of election symbol does not have any effect in constitutional and legal right of a political party to participate whether in general or by election. This point is very important because when the case, reserve seat case was under discussion, each and every or even elections, when the elections were going to be held and PTI was taken away the bat symbol, every leading constitution, Etazaz Hassan and many others were saying that the bat is very important, and they were referring to a case of a Benazir in which they said that election symbols cannot be taken away. And I thoroughly remember that Etazaz Hassan was saying that said that when there is a literacy in countries like Pakistan, election symbols are the source from which they identify their political parties, and when they take away their bad symbol, it is very fraud with the people of Pakistan. So, but in this decision, the learned judges says that it's not infringement of any political right. Political parties can proceed without their symbols. So there's going to be a great debate on this point. The next point is PTI was and is a political party which secured in or won general election seats in National Assembly in 2004. In this point, the learned judges accepted that PTI is a political party. Although many decisions has come that they are wanted to finish as a PTI as a political party, and many establishment has done many things which they wanted to finish them. So it's important point that they have accepted that PTI is a political party. Another point is in the preliminary facts and circumstances of general elections. Yeah, in this point, they have accepted that there were special circumstances in general elections. So it is a very important point that this thing is accepted in a judgment that peculiar effects, yani mainly that there was something unusual going on there. Another point that the PTI should be entitled to reserve seats for women and minorities in the National Assembly, and within the 15 days, PTI should give the list of the candidates of the said reserve seats. It's good for PTI that their numbers will be increased in national assemblies and the provisional assemblies, but this decision will not give any political ground or provide political support to PTI because all the elections has been covered. Now chairman Senate has been elected, National Assembly Speaker, provisional assembly speakers has been elected. So yes, it's a very strong decision which can boost up morals of PTI supporters and workers. But the issue is that it will not give any political advantages, especially in regarding provisional or National Assembly matters. But yes, there is hope. I want to say another point that everyone is saying that judges has given a favor in PTI. But I think when they didn't recognize the bad importance of the bat symbol, they they have created the sense that they are not pro PTI. They have used their judicial wisdom. And another important point is that Chief Justice Isa didn't is not part of this majority ruling. He's in the minorities. So I will wish PTI best of luck for the future, but the legal challenges are not over yet.